Whenever switch 2 is conducting, you will get the voltage plus VDC. We are getting the output voltage VDC by 2 and minus VDC by 2, whereas you have to use the switch rating of VDC. That is the drawback of central tap type of rectifier as well as inverter. Drawback remains same. You have to use twice the rating of the output. Right? Is it clear to everyone? Let me change the view. Let me change the view. Just a minute. Okay. There should not be any confusion. Meanwhile, students are coming. Let me take the screenshot so that you can check this in your ERP. Just a minute. कहीं किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन हो मेरे को बताओ अभी. अंकिता, एकता,
हेलो
नवनीत. हाँ जी
सर, वो ये पूछा था, ये दो जगह कैसा, मतलब ये ISW1 ISW2 बनाया है ऊपर.
Where ISW1 is the current through switch 1. ISW2 is the current through switch 2.
सर नीचे भी तो बनाया अलग से.
Where this is the source, means the current drawn from the VDC supply.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है.
From VDC by 2, and this is from minus VDC by 2. Whenever the current is coming from the positive supply, it is drawn from the plus VDC by 2, isn't it? It could be either through the switch or through the diode. No problem at all, but it has to be drawn from the supply side. Clear?
Yes sir.
आगे चले भाई. Now फटाफट we will solve the numerical. As far as waveform are concerned, it is over. Now, first of all, you have to find out. Let me take blue, or let us solve with red pen. Now, fundamental voltage. First of all, you have to find out the fundamental voltage. Sajal is with us or today he is absent? Sajal केसरी है आज?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सजल, बात क्लियर हो रही है सारी?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you have to find out the fundamental voltage. It is given by 1 by root 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi VDC by 2 sine n omega t, and here n is how much? 1, because we are trying to find out the fundamental voltage. So it is come out to be sine omega t d omega t, which is come out to be under root 2 VDC upon pi. If you solve this, you will get कितना वोल्टेज आ जाएगा भाई? V की वैल्यू जरा 500 रूट 2 और पाई सॉल्व करिए. हाउ मच you will get? You will get the answer. जो भी आंसर आए just calculate, right? VDC is equal to 500. You just calculate at your end. Now, the RMS value of fundamental this current, it is under root 2 or V01 upon V01 upon Z, which is come out to be under root 2 VDC upon pi multiplied by Z, and Z is equal to under root of R square plus ओमेगा एल माइनस 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी होल स्क्वायर। ये कितना आ रहा है? ये RMSE है भाई। एकता एकता या वैशाली आप बताइए ये कितना आ रहा है?
Sir, I01 RMS 93.79.
इट इज कम आउट टू बी, ये कितना आया पहले वोल्टेज बता दो जरा,
90.
ताकि इन लोग का सोल्यूशन बन जाए। वोल्टेज कितना आया? √2 VDC अपॉन पाई।
Sir, 225.15.
ये कितना आया?
25.15.
225.15 as per
Yes, sir.
Vaishali, right? So this divided by Z कितना आया? Impedance this R square plus omega L minus omega C. How much it is coming?
So
Z.
Z की value 2.401.
Okay, divided by 2.401, right? It has come out to be this. So it has come out
93.77.
to be 93.77 ampere, right?
Yes, sir.
सर एकता को ऐड कर लीजिए।
अरे हाँ, सॉरी, ये असल बात मैं लिखने में लग जाता हूँ तो देख नहीं पाता हूँ, ये जो बीच में आउट हो जाते हैं। ओके, शी इज ज्वाइनिंग, फाइन। So it has come out to be this. Now what would be the expression of current? Fundamental expression of the current I01. Fundamental current would be given by, this is the RMS value. So 93.77 times √2, that is the IM. IM is the maximum value, √2 IM sin omega t, and it is lagging by 60 degrees. So current expression is given by 93.77 under √2 sin omega t minus pi by 3. Mind it, it is the fundamental component. It is the fundamental component. Whatsoever we have drawn, it is the exponential. From here to here increasing, and it is like down. It is increasing, then like down. Even though in the drawing it is look like a waveform, it is the sinusoidal. No. Since we have drawn the fundamental component is lagging from this by 5, right? This is the fundamental component, otherwise it is the exponential component, which fundamental is given by something like this. Clear? Now this is the expression of current, fundamental expression of the current, it is given by this. Now power is equal to I1R ms square into R. So it is come out to be 93.77 square into 1.2, which is given here, 1.2 resistance, 1.2. ये देखिए कितना आएगा, you just check, ये वैल्यू जरा सॉल्व करके देखो, बताओ कितनी आएगी, फटाफट बताओ।
10.55 kilowatt.
10.55 kilowatt. 10 x पूरा मेरे को बताओ, डोंट विदाउट एनी अप्रोक्सीमेशन, मींस किलोवाट में नहीं, वाट में बताओ आपका एग्जैक्ट आंसर कितना आ रहा है। 93.77 स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.2,
10,551 watt.
10,551 watt, right? This is the power delivered to the load. This is the power delivered to load, I square R, right? Now, average power I am doing here itself. Average power taken from each source. How much average power we are taking? Let us say it is PS. Each source is conducting half of the period. Means if the period is 2 pi, each source is given current only for the half duration. Just find out the average value. It is equal to 1 upon 2 pi, 1 upon 2 pi, integration 0 to pi, 0 to pi, VDC. VDC is VDC by 2, voltage multiplied I01 d omega t. Right? You just solve this. I01 is equal to 93.77 under root 2 sine of omega t minus pi by 3. You solve this, you will get this value is come out to be 5277 watt. This you will get. It is come out to be 5277 watt. It is the power taken by one source, VDC by 2. So total is total power. Let me take some different. Total power taken from two sources equal to twice TS, which is come out to be 2 into 5277. It is come out to be 10554. It is come out to be 10554 watts. Right? Power delivered to the load कितना आया था? How much power? It is come out to be 10,10,551. Since you have taken the approximation, mine value is coming 93.78, and this power is coming 10,554. Right? You just cross check, because you have taken the approximation of root 2 and pi, Mine values are coming like 93.78, and this is coming out to be 10,554, and this is also coming like this, 10,554, 10,554. Because I have taken this, what I get here. You can notice power delivered by load is power given by the source is equal to power delivered by load. ये 4 लिखा हुआ है भाई, 10,554. आपका आ रहा है 10,551. Let me admit Astosh got disconnected. Right? So it is come out to be 10,554. In both the cases, power given by the load is absorbed by the source. Clear? And the last question, that was what type of commutation you required. So you required as current is greater than 0 at pi, therefore force commutation. You have to have force commutation, right? Otherwise, force commutation means when you are using thyristor, right? If you are using IGBT or MOSFET, no need to worry. You just remove, you just withdraw the pulse and your device get turned off. no need to worry, right? Force commutation is required in that case when you are using the thyristor, because thyristor cannot be made turn off unless until the value of current is less than the holding current, right? In that case you require force commutation. अब कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन हो वेव शेप में या कैसे न्यूमेरिकल हुआ या क्या हुआ तो मेरे को बताइए फटाफट। अगर नहीं कंफ्यूजन है तो फिर हम लोग फटाफट मैटलैब थोड़ी सी देख लें, बिकॉज आज का टॉपिक मैंने यही रखा था कि सिमुलेशन ऑफ सिंगल फेस इन्वर्टर। अगर इसमें प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि मुझे ये लगा आपने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व भी कर ली होगी, मुश्किल से 10 मिनट लगेंगे, बट 10 मिनट तो नहीं लगे, ऑलमोस्ट 50 मिनट लग गए। बताइए फटाफट अगर कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन हो। इफ यू डू नॉट हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन वी कैन डू सम सिमुलेशन ऑन मैटलैब। कोई झंझट नहीं, कंफ्यूजन नहीं। लेट मी टेक द screenshot so that it is available on ERP. आस्तोष ये नोट्स तुमको मिल जा रहे हैं ERP पे?
यस सर, ERP में देख ले रहा हूँ सर मैं।
हाँ, उसमें मैं जितने भी स्क्रीनशॉट हैं वो डाल देता हूँ ताकि जो लोग ऑनलाइन नहीं आ पा रहे हैं उनको कम से कम ये लिखे हुए नोट्स मिल जाए।
ओके
एक
सर।
सेकंड मेरे को दीजिए बस, अभी मैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक शुरू करता हूँ। कहीं किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, और आप लोग ना जो भी मतलब आपका प्रॉब्लम हुआ करे तो कोशिश करिए कि उसको आप थर्ड ईयर वाला जो ग्रुप हम लोगों ने बनाया हुआ है, ऑनलाइन वाला या ऑफलाइन वाला नहीं, कुछ बस जो थर्ड ईयर वाला ग्रुप है उसमें डाल दें। उससे देखिए 2 फायदे होंगे। हो सकता है बाकी की जनता उस पर रिस्पॉन्स ना करे, कुछ बोले ही ना आपसे, बट एटलीस्ट उनको ये तो पता चल जाएगा कि इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, राइट? तो वो प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन खुद से ढूंढेंगे। जब खुद से नहीं ढूंढ पाएंगे तो जिस लड़के या लड़की ने रेस करा होगा क्वेश्चन उससे पूछेंगे, नहीं तो मुझसे पूछेंगे। आप मेरे को पर्सनल पूछते हो तो मैं पर्सनल बता तो देता हूँ, बट उससे हम होता क्या है, सिर्फ आप ही अपडेट हो पाते हो। तो हमको थोड़ा सा अपने साथियों का भी इस बुरे समय में ख्याल रखना चाहिए, जो लोग क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे ड्यू टू सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम इन द नेटवर्क और कुछ जो भी उनके इशू है अपने पर्टिकुलर, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम पता चल जाए। ये मैटलैब का मैं इसीलिए शुरू कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ट्रैकर से ही मेरी चर्चा हो रही थी, या आज दिव्यांशु ने एक रेगुलेटर का सवाल पूछा, एक शायद मेरे ख्याल से PS बिम्बराई थी। क्यों दिव्यांशु, कौन सी किताब का था वो सवाल? शायद PS बिम्बराई का था दिव्यांशु।
यस सर।
है तो वो उसमें फिर हम लोगों ने कंक्लूड करा कि साहब वो गड़बड़ दिया हुआ है, मतलब आंसर जो है थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक के साथ दिया था। अब पता चला आप उससे ही लगा रहे हो, आप उसको रट के बैठ जाओगे कि नहीं साहब जो है वो किताब में दिया हुआ है, आंसर तो यही है तो हमें यही आंसर लिखना है। हर एक इंसान जो है वो इंसान ही है, भगवान नहीं है कि गलती नहीं होगी। किताब में कुछ मिस्टेक है तो वो हमको कॉन्सेप्ट से रियलाइज करना है, ठीक है? तो वो आप लगाएंगे तो आपको क्लियर होता चलेगा। चलिए, आई बिलीव कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें। क्या हुआ, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम? शक्ति, अरे भैया शक्ति तुम कहाँ पर हो? ये IMO में जुट गए। शक्ति किधर हो?
यस सर।
ये कहाँ तुम वहां मोबाइल चला रहे हो बैठे हुए, IMO पे हमको ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? अरे हम अवेलेबल है मेरी जान 24 घंटे, कभी भी हमको ऐड कर लेना। अरे
लगाया था
भैया तुम में मेरी आत्मा बसती है, काहे को तुम पंगा करते हो? 50 बार बता चुका हूं है। चलो ठीक है, वो आप कभी भी कर लेना यार। वैसे आज का टाइम अभी बस 2 ही मिनट रह गए हैं क्योंकि आज 50 मिनट की ही क्लास थी। बस एक थोड़ा सा आपको स्क्रीन शेयर कर देता हूँ, फिर आप जो है अपने एंड से उसको देखने का प्रयास करिएगा, राइट? जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकेंड, लेट मी शेयर द किधर है this. Now the PPT is available to you. This is very, is it visible? कोई भी बस एक स्टूडेंट मेरे को बता दे, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, PPT दिख रही है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let me select. Okay. ये थोड़ी सी एडवांस स्टेज का सिमुलेशन है। एडवांस स्टेज का इसलिए, आपने देखा होगा कि जो ब्रिज कन्वर्टर है उसमें हाफ ऑफ द पीरियड S1 एंड S4 आर ऑन एंड हाफ ऑफ द पीरियड S2 एंड S3 आर ऑन। बट यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने क्या करा है, हम लोगों ने PWM पल्स को जनरेट करा है। PWM हम लोग किस लिए करते हैं, जो स्टेप वेव इन्वर्टर है that contain lot of harmonic, fundamental as well as all other harmonic. These harmonics are undesirable. To overcome this problem, what we do, we use PWM based inverter, right? So in case of PWM inverter, we have to compare our triangular pulse with sine wave, so that modulation is sine PWM. You will get the output corresponding to width of the sinusoidal pulse, right? And output is sinusoidally modulate, means in the mid. I'll show you the next slide. It is hanging. Just a minute. I'll show you the next slide. You can notice now pulses slideshow is means visible to you, where you can see the various pulses. Just anyone, just tell. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you can see that the on pulses here, you can see the on pulses in between. The duration of turning on of the S1 and S4 is quite high. This is for S1, this is for S1, and this is for S4. You can see both the pulses are same. Because they has to be turned on at the same time, S1 and S4. So these pulses are triggering those devices. During this period, S2 and S3 are turned off. You know, if these get turned on, there is a dead short circuit. It should not be done, right? It should not be done. And the output is come out to be, if you apply these pulses, the output is come out to be like this. You can see positive cycle, you get pulses like this, means these are the output, VDC. During negative period, pulses are like this. Always you will get the step wave, means plus VDC or zero, but if you keep on doing this thing, then fundamental harmonic is means improved. The harmonic spectrum is improved. You will get the sinusoidal supply if your frequency, switching frequency is quite high. If your switching frequency is quite high, this pulses. If it is like this means if it is quite high, in that case, you can have the sinusoidal pulse. Fundamental component is nearer to the sinusoidal, but the problem is huge switching losses are there. You should compromise between these two. Your switching losses as well as harmonic spectrum is comparable. Switching losses should be within the range. Harmonic PSD is within the range, that is less than the 5%. Right. Now I'll show you the MATLAB simulation. Before going to that, let me add this slide in your PPT. Right.
तो ये PWM क्यों जनरेट कर रहे हैं?
PWM अभी हम लोगों ने प्रकर्ष वो आर्टिकल पढ़ा नहीं है, बट आपने देखा हम लोग ने स्टेप वेव मिला था प्लस VDC और माइनस VDC. अभी आपको एक सेकंड में नोट्स दिखाता हूँ, जस्ट ए मिनट. In case of full wave, we got this type of waveform. This, if you remember, plus VDC,
Yes,
minus
sir.
VDC, but this is undesirable. क्यों? Our appliances, all appliances are meant for sinusoidal supply. You might notice those who are having inverter at their home, they might notice whenever our AC fan or tube lights run on the inverter, there is some humming sounds coming, like that. Why? Because that inverter produces this type of harmonic. Nowadays, even though, see, nowadays sine wave inverter, you must heard about this term, sine wave inverter from SUCAM or like Microtech. What it means sine wave? Are they generating the sine wave? No, not at all. It is not possible to have sine wave inverter. Reason is, in that case, you require the switching frequency quite high, 100 kilohertz, 1000 kilohertz, ideally speaking, infinite kilohertz. That will create huge loss. Inverter in efficiency goes down. So we do compromise. We generate switching pulse using the sinusoidal PWM such that in between the switches are on, and at the extreme points the switches are off, so that the average value can be taken as sinusoidal wave. This is called sinusoidal PWM. In the same unit 5, we will see how to reduce the harmonic. There we will see all these things in detail. But I have to start the simulation because in your this experiment, MATLAB based experiment, you have to do the simulation based experiment. That is why I have shown you the slides and all. Right? You can try at your end, whatever the simulation based experiments are there, you just try to simulate those experiments, because we don't have time. We don't have time to simulate at HVT. You solve, you simulate at your end. I can very well understand you, all of you not having your laptop at your home, right? So what we can do is, those who are having laptop or those who are at their home, they can do and share that PDF or Word format to your friends, right? So that everyone can at least understand how to simulate. So whenever exam or in your exam it is asked, you can draw the waveform or circuit or anything, right? That is the purpose of discussing this MATLAB simulation here. However, I have not discussed the detailed simulation. We will see some other day. But meanwhile, you can try all this on MATLAB using SimPower system and Simulink block. All control circuits are generated on Simulink, and all power circuits are generated on SimPower system, right? So this meeting is going to be end within 10 minutes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Astosh?
Yes, sir.
काफी कुछ लॉस हो गया है, काफी क्लासेस आपने छोड़ दी हैं, तो अगर आपके
Yes,
पास
sir. I
है,
felt it today, sir.
आपके
मैंने आज
पास
महसूस किया सर
क्या महसूस कर लिया यार?
कि सर मेरा काफी नुकसान हुआ.
अरे ये तो यार